In today's video, we are putting the KAMRUI Hyper H2 and the MINISFORUM M2-356H head-to-head in a mini PC showdown. If you want to know the difference in the prices of these mini PCs, make sure to check the link in the description below. The KAMRUI brings a monstrous 14th Gen Intel Core i9-14900HX with a massive 24 cores and 32 threads that can boost up to an incredible 5.8 GHz, making it a pure brute for multitasking and heavy creative work, while the MINISFORUM counters with the newer Intel Core Ultra 7 356H, which may have fewer cores, but is built with an AI NPU delivering 50 TOPS, setting a new standard for local AI tasks and efficiency. On memory, the KAMRUI provides ample 32 GB of DDR4 that is expandable to 64 GB, a solid foundation for most users. But the MINISFORUM pulls ahead with its future-proofed 32 GB of faster DDR5 memory that can be expanded to a massive 128 GB for ultimate headroom. Both are display powerhouses offering triple 4K output for a supercharged multi-monitor setup, but the KAMRUI uses HDMI, DP, and USB-C, whereas the MINISFORUM ensures you get that stunning clarity through its own versatile ports. For connectivity, the KAMRUI offers the very capable Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2 for a stable wireless experience. Yet the MINISFORUM dominates the network with its cutting-edge Wi-Fi 7 and a professional-grade dual 2.5G LAN setup that offers unmatched speed and reliability for demanding network environments. While the KAMRUI focuses on raw processing performance with a professional cooling system to keep that i9 stable, the MINISFORUM leverages its AI engine to accelerate creative tasks and gaming, making it incredibly versatile. If you need the absolute highest single-core performance and thread count for heavy lifting, the KAMRUI is a phenomenal choice, but for its superior future-ready connectivity, faster DDR5 memory, and innovative AI capabilities that genuinely enhance everyday computing and light creative work, I personally would give the edge to the MINISFORUM M2-356H as the better overall package. For the best price available, just click the link in the description below.